Hello everyone, my name is Zaki Adiaka. Here I will explain about inside the computer and hardware. The motherboard, the central nervous system main concept. This slide explains the function of the motherboard using two main analogies. Central nervous, the central nervous system and a CT foundation key points definition. The motherboard is the primary circuit board inside a computer. Its main job is to serve as a hub that connects every single internal component together. The analogy, just like the human nervous system carries signals between the brain and the body, the motherboard allows the different computer parts to talk to each other. Without Without it, vital components like the processor, memory, and graphic card will be completely isolated and unable to work together. Central Processing Unit CPU, the brain main concept. This slide describes the Central Processing Unit or CPU, which is commonly known as the brain of the computer. It is responsible for executing commands and making decisions. Key points, core function. The CPU is the core hub where all instructions and data processing take place. The overall speed and performance of your computer are heavily determined by how fast the CPU can process these tasks. The two main components, control unit or CU, this acts like a traffic stop. It manages, directs, and coordinates the flow of data traffic inside the processor. Arithmetic logic unit or ALU. This is the calculator of the brain. It handles all the heavy lifting for mathematical calculation like addition and subtraction and logical operations like true or false comparisons. Random access memory or RAM. Short-term memory function. RAM holds data that the computer is actively using right now. Capacity. Having more RAM allows you to multitask and run multiple applications at the same time smoothly. Key characteristic. It is volatile, meaning all stored data is instantly wiped out when the computer is turned off. Storage HDD or SSD. Long-term memory function. This is the permanent home for your files, photos, and operating system. Unlike RAM, it keeps your data even when the power is off. The main tips, HDD or hard disk drive. Use moving magnetic parts. It is slower but offers cheaper high-capacity storage. SSD or solid-state drive uses microchips. It is significantly faster and more durable because it has no moving parts. Graphics Processing Unit or GPU. The artist function. The GPU or graphics card is responsible for rendering and displaying everything visual image, videos, 3D elements, and animation. target user. It is essential for heavy visual work like video editing, 3D modeling, and gaming. Types It can be integrated sharing power with the CPU or dedicated separate high-performance cards. Power Supply Unit or PSU. The heart function the PSU acts like a heart by pumping power to every part of the computer system. Key role. It converts alternating currents or AC electricity from your wall outlet into direct current or DC power, which is the specific type of clean energy computer components need to run safely. How do they work together? The slide shows a step-by-step example of how all these parts collaborate when you open an application or like a video game. Storage to RAM, the permanent storage or HDD or SSD loads and sends the game files into the flash. Short-term memory or RAM, CPU action. The CPU grabs instruction from the RAM to handle the game logic or AI and math. GPU action. The GPU process the visual elements and renders them smoothly on your screen. The motherboard role. All of this massive coordination flow through the interconnected circuits of the motherboard. Hardware. Computer hardware and essential definition. Hardware refers to the tangible physical parts of a computer. See and touch how it works. Hardware cannot act on its own. It operates entirely based on the direction and instruction given by the software. Next, input device. Function. The tools are used to feed data, information, or control commands into the computer. Examples: keyboard for typing text, numbers, and using shortcuts. Mouse, a pointer used to navigate the screen and click commands. Scanners turn physical paper, document, or photos into digital files. Microphone captures audio and sound data. Webcam captures live video and visual data. Next, processing device. Function known as the computer's engine room. This is where incoming data from input device is calculated, organized, and processed. Key part included CPU executes core instruction, motherboard connects all parts together. RAM temporarily holds active data for immediate use. GPU handles visual and graphical rendering. Next, output device. Function. This device takes the processed data from the computer and display, print or project it back to the user and in a readable format. Examples: monitor displays visual like text, images, and videos on a screen. Printer creates a physical hard copy of your digital document on paper. Speakers or headphones play back process audio and sound. Projector beams image or video onto a right flat surface. Storage devices are used to save data permanently or semi-permanently so the information is not lost when the computer is turned off. Internal storage. Internal storage is stored inside the computer. SSD solid-state drive, a modern storage device that uses flash memory with no moving parts. SSDs are very fast, durable, and improve system performance. HDD hard disk drive, a traditional storage device that use spinning magnetic disks. HDDs are slower than SSDs but are cheaper and provide large storage capacity. External storage. External storage devices are portable and can be connected to the computer when need. Flash drive USB, a small portable storage device used to transfer or save files. External hard drive, a portable HDD or SSD. Connected through USB, it is commonly used for backups and extra storage space. Peripherals and support hardware. These, these components support the computer by providing power, cooling, and connectivity. PSU power supply unit converts electricity from the wall outlet into stable power for computer components. Network interface card or NIC or Wi-Fi adapter allows the computer to connect to the internet or local network. Heatsink and fans. Cooling system that reduces heat and prevent the CPU and other hardware from overheating. Next. Okay. Thank you for watching, guys.